Levothyroxine by Chrissy Ochoa. Here's a picture of one dosage and form of levothyroxine, and different dosage would be in different colors. One of the reasons I chose levothyroxine is because I take this medication for hypothyroidism every morning, and I thought it'd be interesting to see how this applies to chemistry. Chemical and physical properties. This slide shows the IUPAC of levothyroxine. The molecular formula, which is carbon 15, hydrogen 11, iodine 4, nitrogen, and oxygen 4. The molecular weight is 776.9 grams. Here we have a picture of levothyroxine's molecular structure. Functional groups. In this picture, I have arrows pointing to the different functional groups in levothyroxine. I found 5 functional groups, and the first one was alcohol, the second one, halide, the third one, ether, the fourth, amine, and 5, carbolic acid. What is levothyroxine? Levothyroxine is used to treat hypothyroidism, which is an underactive thyroid gland. It comes in a tablet or capsule form, taken on an empty stomach, usually before breakfast and with a full glass of water. The dosage is individualized for every person. For example, the dosage varies based on age and weight of the person. It also is used for surgery, radioactive iodine therapy, and thyroid cancer. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone. Some of the symptoms of hypothyroidism is fatigue, weight gain, enlarged thyroid gland, lethargy, sensitivity to cold, slow heart rate, and dry skin. The top picture shows 2 thyroid glands, and you can see the difference between a healthy thyroid gland and a goiter, which is another word for enlarged thyroid gland. The bottom picture also shows what an enlarged thyroid gland looks like on an actual person. So you can clearly see that there is an enlargement or protrusion where her neck is. With these pictures, you can see that your body doesn't function properly without thyroid hormones. How levothyroxine works. Inside the thyroid gland are many follicles that produce hormones, and inside the follicles, thyroglobulin and protein bind to iodine. When this occurs, thyroglobulin splits and forms the hormone that we need. Hypothyroidism occurs when not enough thyroglobulin proteins bind to iodine, which decreases the amount of hormones. Levothyroxine drugs are used to treat hypothyroidism in order to bring hormone levels back to normal. And here is a reference page of some of the references that I've used. Thank you.